Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubadai ru Menteri badai kemi eka Public Works Department PWD haba keren haka yang dorwar thauan Kajala haka arpui terik uluber uloong baga jinglong jingman joga Surok 4 lane bawana Umshyrpi sha Baniun kadang don hapa dengke jing Phah Biang eka tenda hadien baka company bela syam kamla i no shiteng yakini uba Tynsong ulo juba halor ke jingkeli bela buat UMLE Kamilium constituency uba Rani V lingdo haba udang keren haka samai buat jingkeli jongka sngi ke baar jongka dorbar mang tingka. Uba Tynsong uloong.
The company whom the ministry has allotted work under this provision, direct supervision of NHIDCL, they ultimately surrendered work halfway. Then ultimately I remember in the month of March, April 2022, I personally went to Delhi. I met the MD and I met also the secretary of the ministry. We discussed at length about all these issues, and ultimately they took a decision that return process has to start. They have done it. In fact, they have already completed the processing of retendering. However, only one single tender again participated.
Shushu ula benrap da kabaong bahadian bala penya jakhamat ya kakam tang kawe ka company kala yashim benta namar bala Phah Biang ya katenda man pensedang Biang ya kakam bad ula ong ru.
Then ultimately now they again retendering. The whole process again started, and I'm sure within the month of April this process will be over, and once that is done, the work can again resume. That is as far the package 1 is concerned. And also I would like to tell here, as far as package 1 is concerned, even the shifting utilities is still on, and we have already had a series of meetings under the level of Chief Secretary and also under my level, where we monitored 24/7 because we wanted to make sure that the shifting utilities has to complete at the earliest possible, and this also the target has been kept that by 15th of April the whole process of shifting should be completed from our side.